If you have no idea how to make an offer on a house, watch this video because it's going to describe the sexy way and the ugly way of doing it, which is going to be the difference of you getting your offer accepted or not. Save this video, it is one of the best that I've done recently. So let's say that you guys are wanting to make $1 million offer on this property, and you've got the ugly way, you've got the sexy way or the ugly way. Now, you have to remember that if you're competing with other people, they're considering these two options as well. So let's start off with the sexy way, and this is the goal. So this is the aggressive, I really want this house way, known as being unconditional. You pay for all the things that you've got to check first before you make your offer. And this is also how you have to do it for an auction. And the problem with this one, because obviously you'll have no conditions, so it's the most attractive to the person selling the house. The problem with this is that you risk spending money on the things that you need to check for no reason. Because if it's not accepted or you wasted your time, then you've wasted your money as well. The other option, of course, is the ugly way. So this is the I'm still a bit nervous and unsure way of making an offer. So this is known as the conditional way, which basically means that you're making an offer of $1 million conditional of these things down here. So finance, where's my finger gone? Building report, which is about $500, lawyer, review of limb title and other documents, making sure I can get insurance, which is free, and evaluation if needed. So you're gonna make it conditional on all these things, which is ugly to the seller because they're like, there's lots of things that might eventuate that this offer doesn't go through. But you're not risking any money compared to this. What you are risking is losing out on the house if there's another person that makes an offer this way. So if you're going up against a certain person or like another purchaser, you either risk paying $1,500 approximately if you have to have all these checks done, or you're risking on missing out on the house. So you need to choose which option to go with. And what do I think you should do? I think it depends on the house. I think you need to talk to the real estate agent and see whether or not there are other people that you're competing with. And for some people, you may not have any choice but have to do this option if you can't get pre-approval from the bank. So maybe you've got less than 20% deposit and it needs to be a live application. And you can obviously do something in between. You can do, you can tick off the insurance, you can tick off the building report, you can tick off most of the finance, and maybe just make it conditional on a valuation for this way. So there's more than one way of doing these things. And if you found this video helpful, I've got plenty more in my First Home Buyer Academy and on my TikTok and Instagram profiles. All that stuff is free, so just go to the link in my bio and you can access it.